In our lesson today, we are going to study the use of can and present continuous tense. Look at this image. It's a person, right, that is painting a tree and maybe an abstract background. She paints very well. She uses paint and brushes. She has the ability to paint. She can paint. I know how to sing. I sing well. I can sing. I have the ability to sing. She doesn't know how to dance. Dancing is difficult for her. She can't dance. She doesn't have the ability to dance. We use can or can't, positive or negative, when we want to talk about abilities or possibilities, and sometimes to ask for permissions. In the affirmative form, we have the subject, can, plus the base form of the verb. That is normally an activity that the person is performing. I can speak English. You can ride a bike. He can drive a car. She can play the guitar. It can swim. The negative form is going to be in the same auxiliary, can. You can say cannot or can't. In speaking, it's more common to say can't. I can't speak French. You can't ride a horse. He can't drive a truck. She can't play the piano. It can fly. In this case, all the activities are related to abilities because it's the most common form to use it. In plural form, we are going to have the same structure. Can or can't don't change when they are with plural or singular. In all the cases, you have can plus the base form of the verb. In affirmative sentences, we have subject plus can plus base form verb and complement. In questions, we are going to change the order of the auxiliary can and the subject. So we have can plus the subject they plus the base form speak plus the complement. In this case, Spanish. Can they speak Spanish? The short answer could be yes, they can, or the negative answer, no, they can't. Or also you can say yes, they can speak Spanish pretty well. We can have short and long answers. Remember, the auxiliary of these sentences is can. Look at this picture. What is he doing? He is running. What about them? What are they doing? They are cooking, preparing food together. Notice the structure that we have here in green. We have verb be and we have an ing verb. In this structure, verb be is the auxiliary. That is why it's before the subject in the question. What is he doing? The main verb, running, for example, he is running, shows the activity that the man is performing. In the other example, cooking, shows the activity that they are performing. They are cooking. Verb be is going to be conjugated according to the plural or singular form of the pronoun. And the ing form is going to give us the activity that the person is performing. When we talk about present continuous tense, we talk about three formulas. Subject plus verb be could be am, is, or are, plus the verb in ing form, plus any complement. He is playing, for example. Subject plus the verb be plus not, plus ing form, is going to be the negative form. He isn't playing, or they aren't playing, for example, if it is in plural. The question is going to be, as in all the questions in English, the auxiliary is going to come first. Verb be, am, is, or are, plus the subject, plus the verb with ing, because we need, in order to have verb be in a sentence, we need the ing form in order to have the question. Is he playing? In terms of usage, we use present continuous tense to describe something which is happening at the exact moment of a speech. So it's something that is happening while we are talking. Present continuous always used for an action happening right now, at the moment of speaking. I am teaching an English lesson. You are watching a video. Steve is washing his hair. She is taking her dog for a walk. Everything is happening at the same time that I'm speaking. There are some key words to recognize present continuous tense. The word now is normally in the sentence. Right now is implying that it's happening now and at the moment. Also, expressions like listen or look at me could be some representative keywords or key phrases to understand that we are speaking in present continuous tense. Based on this explanation of can and present continuous, complete the exercises you have for this week.